Reese, how do you make money on YouTube? How do you get monetized? What do you need to get monetized? How can you start making money? Reese, please help me. I got a channel that's doing numbers, but I don't know how to monetize it. I got you. In today's video, I'm going to be going over step by step the whole process. So first thing I need you guys to do, I need you to just take a deep breath. So we are going to get through it, okay? Because it is a process, trust me. So patience is the most important thing in this process. So further ado, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into how you start making money on YouTube. The first step is probably the easiest step, and you've probably already done it. Create a YouTube channel. And that's the thing, you're watching this video, so 9 times out of 10, you probably already did that, right? So, create a Google email, link it to your YouTube account, and also what you want to do is turn on your 2-step verification, right? That's your phone number, your account recovery email, all those good things, just to make sure that your account is safe, or if you get locked out, you have something to fall back on, and all those good things. So what are the requirements? What do you need in order to start getting paid on YouTube? So for long form videos, you need a total of 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscribers. But here's the catch. You have to accumulate this in the time span of 12 months. Yes, 1 year. So what that means, ladies and gentlemen, if you do not accumulate 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch time hours in 1 year, you will have to start the process all the way over. So it's important that you stay consistent. Now, for my short form creators out there, I know what you're thinking. So how do I get monetized? So your requirements are going to be 10 million shorts views and 1,000 subscribers, but in 90 days. You must complete this task in 90 days. So yes, long form content is the way to go, as you guys can see, but those are your requirements right there for short form content. Now I know what you're thinking. How do I keep track of all this stuff when I'm trying to edit videos and get content out? YouTube is going to keep track of that for you. Now it's going to look like a little something like this on the screen. They're going to keep track of your watch time hours, your subscribers, and they are going to let you know when you are able to monetize. Yes, they will either send you an email or they will reach out to you directly and say, hey, you are ready to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. So now that you got all of your requirements done, you are now ready to apply for YouTube monetization. So in order to do this, we are going to go to the YouTube Studio app. So make sure you guys download that on your phone. So you're going to go to the YouTube Studio app, click the Earn tab, and now you're going to scroll down and click Apply Now. And after you click Apply Now, you are going to agree and accept the YouTube Partner Program terms. And then after that, we are going to wait for the official review. And just a heads up and a quick tip for you guys. So that review that YouTube is doing for you guys is to make sure that everything is good on your channel. So that consists of literally copyrights, strikes, content that does not fit their partner program. So make sure you guys read the terms and make sure you don't have any red mark or copyrighted videos on it, because that might block you from literally getting into the YouTube Partner Program. So in the meantime, while we wait for the review, we are going to create a Google AdSense account, because I'm not sure if you guys know, YouTube is owned by Google. So YouTube is not the people who actually pays us. Google is who actually puts the money in our pockets. That's why we run ads on the videos, like the ads you've seen before the video, during the video, or probably after, right? So what we are going to do is we're going to go to the Google search bar and type in Google AdSense. And once we get there, we are going to sign up for an account. That's literally just the email that you are also using for your YouTube account as well. So make sure those are the same. And all you want to do is just fill out all your information, right? Your first, last name, your tax info. Yes, we get taxed. We have to pay taxes. So make sure you have your social security number ready, your tax info, all those good things. And a tip for you guys to make the process go even smoother, make sure when you upload your ID identification and all those different types of things, make sure your name matches up with your ID, because YouTube is very strict on these verification processes, okay? These processes can take up to a long time if you guys do not have the right data matched up. Now, the big moment that you guys have been waiting for, we have been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, and you'll probably get an email that looks just like this right here, letting you guys know that, hey, you've been accepted to our YouTube Partner Program. It is now time to start making money, but you cannot be paid yet. So now that we have been accepted to the YouTube Partner Program and we have created a Google AdSense account, and they have verified our identity. That is why it's important to make sure that you guys are putting everything in there right. It is time to verify our address. Okay, so now how do you verify your address? What they are going to do is they are going to send a 6-digit code to your mailbox. Yes, that's why you need to make sure that your address on your ID and the address that you currently live at adds up. Okay, so make sure you guys are looking in the mail. It usually takes about maybe 1 to 2 weeks to get there, but once it gets there, you are going to put the 6-digit code into this box that I have put on the screen for you guys, and after that is done, you guys are ready to get paid. But of course, in order to start getting paid, we need to link our bank account to our Google AdSense account. So once we do this, and this is the kicker, so you guys make sure you listen to this part very carefully. Once we set up our bank account to our Google AdSense account, Google is going to make a small deposit, probably maybe anywhere from 5 2 cents. It's literally pennies, just like this on the screen. That's an example. And they are going to ask you to verify how much they sent you guys to the account before you can start making money, to make sure that it is your account, because you are the only person that's going to know how much they actually sent. So be looking out for that. So now that you have verified the amount that they have put in your bank account, you are ready to start making money on YouTube. Clap it up, right? But you need one more step in order to get paid. So you see, YouTube deals with a threshold. So us creators, we have to hit a monthly threshold in order to get paid. So that just doesn't mean, okay, if I made $10, $20, oh, can I get my money? No. The standard threshold in order to be able to make payment is $100. Now you can change it to 100. You can change it to 200 to 1,000 to 10,000, anything you want to. But the standard threshold payment is $100. So if you are struggling to make some extra cash on the side of your 9-to-5 job, and you're trying to get your hustle on like your boy Reese, today's video is sponsored by Free Cash. You literally can run up some quick and easy money by just playing games on your phone, and just by clicking the QR code or going to the link in the description. They're gonna give you guys a free $10 just from even doing that. So go ahead, download the games, play the games, bro, and earn some quick and easy money. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description and go get your hustle on, my nigga. There's plenty of ways to get to it, bro. Back to the video. Now that you have hit your $100 threshold, you are now ready to start getting paid, getting payments, and you have done it all. So just to let you guys know, us content creators get paid once a month, and that payment runs from the 21st of every month to the 26th. It all depends on what banking app you bank with and how fast they get direct deposits out. Most of the time, I receive my payments on the 21st, soon as midnight cracks the dawn. Okay, so other people, they might get it on the 25th, the 23rd, the 26th, who knows? And just a tip from me before I end off the video, if you guys want to get monetized a lot faster, long form content is the way to go. There's nothing wrong with shorts, but as you guys can see, you really don't get that much time to really, complete the mission. Long form content, staying consistent and posting, literally, if you can post probably about 15 to 20 minute videos, 3 to 4 times a week, oh yeah, you're gonna be in the dough. Okay, but if you guys want me to make an extra video on that, on some tips on how to get monetized fast, how to get monetized faster, let me know down in the comment section. If this video helped you guys out a lot, let me know, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and y'all know I love this. Y'all know I'm be back with more content tomorrow. Hey, ski.